Looking for reliable head protection while welding? In this video, we'll reveal the best auto-darkening welding helmet to keep your eyes safe and your vision clear. Stay tuned as we explore the top picks welders swear by. Number 1. YESWELDER Welding Helmet. If you're searching for a dependable welding helmet that balances performance, affordability, and comfort, this model from YESWELDER deserves serious attention. Built to handle a variety of welding tasks including TIG, MIG, MMA, and grinding, it's ideal for professionals and hobbyists alike. The helmet features a clear viewing size of 3.64 by 1.67 inches, equipped with 2 premium sensors for reliable auto-darkening response. It reacts in an impressive 1/30,000 second, shielding your eyes instantly when an arc is struck. That rapid response time ensures maximum protection and reduces eye fatigue during long hours of welding. What sets this helmet apart is its remarkable optical clarity. Scoring a flawless 1/1/1/1 rating, it provides a distortion-free, consistent, and true color view of your work. This means less squinting, better accuracy, and more comfortable welding sessions, especially during intricate or prolonged projects. Another smart feature is its compatibility with cheater or magnifying lenses, offering extra support for welders requiring enhanced close-up detail. Battery life is excellent, aided by a replaceable CR2450 battery that extends the helmet's operational time and minimizes downtime between jobs. Comfort is thoughtfully addressed with its pivot-style headgear, ensuring a secure fit while evenly distributing the helmet's weight. This reduces pressure points on the head and neck, a crucial factor for those working long shifts. Overall, this YESWELDER helmet stands out as a reliable, feature-rich option that delivers top-tier clarity and protection without breaking the budget. Number 2. Lincoln Electric Welding Helmet. Professionals seeking a top-performing welding helmet often turn to Lincoln Electric, and for good reason. This model stands out for its exceptional optical quality and thoughtfully engineered comfort features. It utilizes 4C lens technology, which enhances color accuracy and removes distortions for a sharp, clear view of the welding arc, puddle, and base material. With a perfect 1/1/1/1 optical clarity score, this helmet guarantees consistent shading and angle uniformity while minimizing blurriness. A major highlight is its extra-large 12.5 square inch auto-darkening lens, offering an expansive field of vision. This lets welders work more efficiently by reducing the need to constantly lift or reposition the helmet. The advanced X6 headgear system is another notable feature, distributing the helmet's weight evenly to reduce neck strain and enhance comfort for extended use. The ratchet-style headband ensures easy adjustments, accommodating head sizes from 6.5 to 8 with a simple turn of a knob. Durability is another strong suit, built to endure rugged job site environments. And with an industry-leading 5-year hassle-free warranty, users can trust that this helmet is a long-term investment in both safety and performance. Whether you're a seasoned professional or a dedicated enthusiast, this Lincoln Electric helmet delivers a superb blend of visibility, comfort, and reliability that sets it apart from other options in its category. Number 3. YESWELDER Large Welding Helmet. Designed for welders who value both wide visibility and outstanding optical performance, this YESWELDER Large Welding Helmet makes a strong case for itself. Suitable for TIG, MIG, MMA, and plasma applications, it also comes with a convenient grinding feature, saving time by eliminating the need to switch helmets for different tasks. The supersized 3.93 by 3.66 inch viewing area is one of its biggest strengths, allowing users to clearly see a broader portion of their workspace without adjusting their position. Equipped with 4 premium sensors, this helmet provides rapid and reliable auto-darkening protection with a transition time fast enough to shield your eyes immediately when an arc strikes. It also achieves a flawless 1/1/1/1 optical clarity rating, ensuring users enjoy distortion-free, consistent, and true color visuals of their work. The improved color accuracy reduces strain and makes it easier to distinguish between materials, arcs, and weld puddles. In terms of practicality, the increased battery life ensures you can work through extended projects without interruption. Comfort hasn't been overlooked either, with a pivot-style headgear that balances the helmet's weight evenly, reducing pressure on the head and neck. Its thoughtful design ensures a snug fit while allowing easy adjustments. For welders who prioritize wide, clear visibility and consistent protection in a lightweight, user-friendly package, this YESWELDER model is a standout option that won't disappoint. Number 4. Hobart Welding Helmet. Built with durability and versatility in mind, the Hobart Welding Helmet is an excellent choice for both professional and home workshops. Crafted from rugged polyamide nylon, it provides reliable protection while maintaining a lightweight, balanced feel. One of its standout features is the pure color lens technology, offering a clear, accurate view of your welding environment. Combined with a generous 9.3-inch widescreen viewing area, it significantly improves weld quality by letting users see more of their workspace without distortion. The helmet's dependable arc detection system utilizes 4 independent sensors for rapid, accurate response, ensuring that the lens darkens instantly when needed. This enhances safety by protecting eyes from harmful UV and IR rays without delay. An auto-on/off power control further boosts convenience, activating the lens automatically at the strike of an arc. Switching between welding and grinding modes is seamless, allowing welders to tackle different tasks without changing helmets. The analog controls are another practical feature, letting users quickly adjust shade, sensitivity, and delay settings with easy-to-use knobs. This hands-on control helps optimize performance for various welding applications. Built to enhance both safety and efficiency, the Hobart helmet is a reliable, well-rounded option for anyone needing a versatile welding mask that adapts to multiple tasks and delivers consistently clear, accurate visibility. Number 5. ANDELI Welding Helmet. For welders who value both expansive visibility and cutting-edge technology, the ANDELI Welding Helmet is a smart, feature-rich choice. Its standout feature is the 180 degrees large viewing screen, which measures 3.94 by 3.74 inches, with an additional 3.72 by 1.76-inch side view. This panoramic setup ensures welders maintain full awareness of their surroundings, improving control and safety on busy job sites. The helmet also features 2 built-in LEDs capable of producing up to 400 lumens, providing excellent visibility in dim environments. Optical clarity is another strong point, offering a true color view with a 1/1/1/2 rating, minimizing blurriness and distortion. While it narrowly misses a perfect score, its performance is still highly competitive, particularly given its superior color fidelity and wide field of view. UV/IR protection up to shade DN16 ensures reliable safety during intense welding operations. The helmet's interference suppression technology reduces false triggers from workshop lighting and sunlight, enhancing accuracy and reducing unnecessary lens darkening. Auto-darkening response is swift, thanks to 4 premium sensors that shift the lens from light to dark in just 1/25,000 second, ensuring your eyes stay protected the moment an arc strikes. Included in the package are thoughtful extras like a portable cloth bag. Like the video, hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon.